What is happening, guys? If this is your first time on my channel, welcome. My name is Jessica, and today we're going to be talking about the 5 apps that you absolutely need to be using on your Shopify store. Now, make sure you stay tuned through the entire video because these apps are guaranteed to increase your conversions and your cart size. And then at the end of the video, I'm going to be telling you about the one app that tripled my sales. So let's get this tutorial started and let's just dive on into it. Alright guys, so as you can see here, we are on the Shopify App Store, and the first one we're going to be taking a look at is called SpinASale, and this is a really fun little app. I think there's a couple of them on the market, but this is the cheapest one, and this is the one that I use. It's only $4.99 a month for the basic plan, and you do get a 10-day free trial, so definitely try it out on your store because it really does work. And what it actually does is it increases your sign-up conversions for subscriptions. So it's going to help you build an email list, and this is really important because we can send out coupons, we can update people when we get new products, and it's going to bring more people back onto our store to actually make more sales. So let's take a little look-see at what this looks like. So when we come onto a store, it's going to immediately pop up, and as you can see, it looks just like Wheel of Fortune, and it says, win an exclusive prize, enter your email to spin the wheel for a chance to win. So they have to enter their email if they want to give this wheel a shot. And guys, people love to play the lottery, and I think that that's why this works. So, you want to enter in your name, and we'll just kind of do it so you can see what it looks like. We'll see if I'm lucky today. Oh, and if you guys want a more in-depth tutorial on how to actually set up the discount codes on SpinASale, make sure you check out the link in the description below for my how to set up a Shopify store video. If you go to the very end of that video, I actually go into the back end of SpinASale and I go through all the steps and set up discount codes. So it looks like we won 10%, which isn't that great, but hey, we'll take it. And so what this app does is it helps you with collecting emails, and then it's also going to increase your conversions because when someone gets a really juicy coupon, they're going to be so much more likely to actually buy from your store, especially if you say like coupon for today only. It's going to increase your conversions really, really nicely. So definitely try this one out. You do want to make sure that you have an app that's actually, collecting the emails that you can send out automated emails with, so you can take advantage of, all of the emails that you're building. So let's take a look at the next app. And the next one I recommend is MailChimp. And this is an automated email app. And the thing that I really like about MailChimp, because again, there are a ton of apps like this on the market, this one's actually completely free up to 2,000 subscribers, which is great because you can get it, you can start to build your email list, and then hopefully by the time you have 2,000 subscribers, you are making some money, and so it's not a big deal to actually upgrade your plan. So you do want to turn on integration with SpinASale and MailChimp so that they're set up together. And there's a couple of really cool things that you can do with this app. So if you get new products, you can send out automated emails to all of your emails on the list that say, hey, look, we just got this new product. And you also can set up your abandoned cart sequence, which is really, really important. So definitely do this. So basically, if someone comes onto your store and they put something in the cart, but they don't buy because, for whatever reason, something happened and they just didn't have time to do it, we can set up an automated email so that, it goes out to them at whatever time we want. I like to do either an hour or 24 hours. That's when I've seen the highest conversion rate. So try that out, kind of test to see what works for your store. But it's going to say something along the lines of, hey, look, you were here, you had this item in your cart, don't forget about it, come back and, get it now. And obviously you want to get a little bit more creative with the copy, but that's just kind of, an idea of what it actually does. So definitely get MailChimp. Again, it is completely free up to 2,000 subscribers, so there's absolutely no excuse for this one. The next one we're going to talk about is called Hurify, and Hurify is a countdown timer, and so it pretty much pushes people to buy through scarcity. So we'll just take a little look-see at what this looks like, and you want to put this on your product description page. It's going to look something like this, and there are a bunch of different ones that you can choose, so whatever kind of style and design you like that fits your theme. And it says, hurry, sale ends in 1 hour, 39 minutes, and 50 seconds. So this is going to push people to buy through urgency because they feel like if they don't buy right now, they're not going to get that really good deal. And so obviously it's an illusion, but hey, you know, you got to do what you got to do to get the sales. So it really does work. I know there's a couple free ones on the market. This is the one I use, but look into it if you're on a budget. You know, find out which ones are free, but this one is really, really great. So the next one we are going to look at is called Conversio. And Conversio is a really cool app. It's $19 a month, but it's totally worth it. It sends out automated receipts to all of your buyers. So when someone purchases something, it's going to automatically send them a receipt and a dynamically updated coupon, which is really great because it's going to help you get a lot of, you know, repeat buyers. It also does a bunch of other cool things. You can do abandoned cart emails through this app, follow-up emails, newsletter emails, product reviews, product recommendations, and just a bunch of stuff. So it's definitely one I recommend. I usually just use it for the coupons and for the automated receipts, but again, you know, there are a bunch of things on that app. Now the last one we are going to talk about, and the one that's actually made me the most money, is called Product Upsell. And if you use ClickFunnels, it's very similar, but all you can do is upsells. You can't do downsells. You can also do cross-sells, I believe. Let's see. Yeah, upsells and cross-sells. So let me just show you kind of what this does in this little tutorial so it makes a little bit more sense. So when someone goes to add something to their cart, this is going to automatically throw an upsell pop-up up on the screen. And so you want your products to be super horizontally related. So the camera, obviously, like when someone buys a camera, they need to buy a memory card. And this works really well as long as you choose your products correctly. So you don't want to do like a camera and a football. That's not going to work. But if the two items really fit together as a puzzle or a pair, then you're going to see a really high conversion rate. It's going to up your carts and you're going to see a lot of money start to come in. You know, it really does add up. And the way this app is priced, you know, it starts at $9.99 and the plans are based on the number of views your offer will receive. So you want to take into consideration how much traffic you're actually pushing to your store, and then once you've selected a plan, you know, your offer will display until you've reached the view limit. So you know, definitely try this out. It really does work. Again, you know, just like ClickFunnels, but just app version. So yeah, I mean, this is the one that I was talking about earlier that really increased my sales. So if you're looking for something to, you know, start to really scale, I definitely recommend this one. So guys, we talked about my 5 favorite apps, so make sure you download them, check them out when you have some time. Hopefully you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure you leave me a comment down below. I would absolutely love to hear how your journey is going so far, so just say hey. And guys, before you go, have you subscribed to my channel yet? If you haven't, you better hit that subscribe button because I'm going to be dropping some knowledge bombs on you guys. Make sure you turn on those notifications because I put out new videos every single week.